Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, it's Hollandaise sauce. No fail Hollandaise sauce, very creamy. If you follow the exact step I'm about to share with you now, and all we need is just three steps. We need a wine vinegar reduction, we need clear butter, and egg yolk. And then along the line we will talk about, for example, what to serve your Hollandaise sauce with. The first thing I will start is my wine vinegar reduction. So I will introduce 80 milliliter in a small pot and bring to cook 4 milliliter of wine vinegar. And then I have 2 tablespoons of white wine. If you want some lemon, add in some drops of lemon juice. To add in some taste, I am going to introduce 1 bay leaf and not more than 6 to 7 crushed peppercorn. I added 1 pinch of salt and pinch of sugar. For more taste, go for shallot onion, so I added just not more than 10 grams of shallot onion. And then you're going to let it cook to reduce in quantity while all the spices release their flavor in. When that is done, you are going to grab a sieve and strain out all the spices. This is what I have. I'm going to set aside. The second step is to bring 150 grams of butter to melt. If I achieve that, and then I will scoop out all the white foam that is settled on top of this butter. Turn back your heat and scoop out every foam on top of your butter. And at the bottom of this butter, we still have liquid which we do not want to make use of. If not, we will not have the consistency in our Hollandaise sauce. So scoop out the white foam and the bottom water that is settled. I'm going to set my butter aside and then grab a pot of water, bring it to a cook. It shouldn't be on a boiling point, just having this little bubble inside, and then place a bowl on top of your water. Any glass bowl or aluminum silver bowl like this would do. So you are going to introduce 3 tablespoons of our wine vinegar reduction that is full of taste already, interesting ones. And then I am going to add in 2 egg yolk. At this point, we have to be very careful not to end up having a scrambled egg. Of course, the one reason our water shouldn't be too hot to prevent our bowl from getting too hot for our sauce. So after you introduce your 2 egg yolk, you are going to grab a whisk and begin to beat in hell in your egg. I keep preventing my bowl from getting too hot just to achieve that fine and thick consistency first on my egg. Now that we are satisfied with the consistency, look at that guys, it looks good. I am going to drop in bit by bit my clarified butter. Look at that, keep dropping it and whisk until you have your super Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce can be served to grilled fish, to blanched fish, egg Benedict, mostly for asparagus. This is just the perfect season for asparagus. Ending of April to May, asparagus is everywhere. So thank you guys. If you are new to my channel and you have watched to this time, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes in, and please don't forget to check out for more recipes on my channel. Thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, I beg you. Thank you so much. See what we have, guys. As you can see, the side of my bowl round around, it's clear. There is nothing like scrambled eggs. So please follow this recipe and you will achieve a perfect, no failure Hollandaise sauce. So look at what we have, guys. It looks amazing. It looks great. I love it. It tastes amazing. It tastes great. So when you are done, you are going to set aside and serve with whatever you feel like serving with. What do you serve yours with? I love to serve with asparagus or some salmon fish and spinach. It tastes great also on them. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave your comment down below and we will see on my next one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye for now.